Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to enable YouTube video verification step-by-step guide. Do you want to enable YouTube advanced features so that you get monetized? Here I am going to show you how to do YouTube video verification. You need to verify your channel so that YouTube will not think you are a bot. I am using phone to do this. You can do it on PC too. Open YouTube on your web browser, click on the three dots and click on Desktop View, then click on your picture profile, then click on YouTube Studio. Go down bottom left, click on Setting, on the left click on Channel, then click Feature Eligibility. Here you will get the option of Advanced Features. We will click on this. We will click on Access Features like this. Use video verification. The first one is you will have to take a video of 30 seconds, so in that way you can enable this feature. The second option can be enabled with driving license, passports. So here I will choose the first option, use video verification, because I have to do video verification, and we will click Next here. We will have to click on Get Email like this. Then we will get an email. Here we have to click Done. The email has been opened. Here we have to click on Start Verification like this. As soon as we click on Start Verification, we will see Check Your Browser here. If we are facing problem like this, from here we will come directly to the home page and see here chrome.com My Verification Submit. You have to search in the same way as you have seen on the screen, only then your problem will be solved. Or if Chrome is not working, use a different browser and paste the URL. Whatever I have searched here, I will put it in the description box. You can directly click on it. It will open directly. You will search in this way. Here, Agree to Video Verification will come like this. We have to click here below like this. Here we have to check it. We have to click on I agree. See here, the tips for your video, the way it is showing here. In the same way, you have to turn your face, and you have to give a video of 30 seconds. Only then your video verification will be done. See here, we can click on Next below. Then it will come like this. Look directly at your phone. Keep your face in the center of the circle. The way it is telling here, in the same way you have to turn your face. So in this way, you can do video verification. See here, your video is in review. It will come like this. See here, thanks for submitting your video verification. Google within 24 hours, your video verification will be completed. So in this way, as soon as your video verification is complete, you will get a mail. See here, you can start using advanced features on YouTube. In this way, you have received the mail within 24 hours. It means that the feature has been enabled. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more video like this. Drop a comment if you try this or have questions. Thank you for watching.